You are the four Yamishra na Oyokese. Na wajibre so ubehwe Attention TV. My person by like page no share page. Na wama obisa kabi. Mperefo se dokoto anya kokoto. Na adeso bi su bi a ehde ebedu. Anabe na meka cha ono se waya de anipa yesuni yaban onipa wonye no wo ye nde awonye ye funa onye no ni se wasa orofo aha Attention TV India University Foundation and boy chidom coin number my fan to 0548 302985 0548 302985 orofo me ni prophet Eric ko se me da support gospel ministry no na ba se some dey ayi na yete ase be yin na yi ehun sabe funtintan kese so yenu atwi wu no yenu abema bi aye friend one god be ma ho prophecy one god michia e ma ho prophecy se ebisi se Ghana blasa fo be nya yi kese pa ono de kama aye adwuma onimi misumeni na fofi antoata Ghana blaster abenya yi Ninti amato me boss no the love cannot have for the brother no. That's make me to make soul down, speak soul boko. What I say? Na Saturday be ye could in 1 week. Ye could in 1 week. Na ye yan tears so being so one channel be me modi. Ani kum chacha e prese e kache Ghana fo nyina se obetimi say the prophet okay Ishmael said then the Muslim they become or so betime nyane Christian atwu na me pese me bisa say Yesu nyane obi ya jitu onyane Lazarus ya jitu Yesu nyane o say nyane another person ono so ne baba akopɛ yadi obi fi dan soro esane bai Jesus e ma ne pejai me pese me bisa se so for a social media hype anase a chest choke anase nenum ni trim na hihye no yeri se na Lazarus wawu nansa no aporo no apon ni nua man Mary ne ma ta se owura yenwene de wawu wapon wapro so for me nka sam nchiro aya ananya mabi wa onze we funny etie papa Fifi Atamas Professor Fifi Atamas ye ex president awonya ne baby ko wo Ghana ha no wuye ene ya me aka se ko nyane no ye papa Rollins JJ Rollins olumaya bojise wo Ghana nyame fa kesi wo Ghana ha no wuye aden eno ko nyane no hwa is a high time asofo esi GAE GYIMII sabo ye prophet Bible say onipa wu a etwa so onipa wu prekope no wu na cha temu ho na nipa wu a enye no ano no wada appropriate time yakopon ebe resurrect no me pacho atunkwa ne wu sa dan ni mu ade na nkoso konya no a wanyina mu a wo sa ba se wo da na ekode na atwu wu ye mahwe sa wo interview ba mienu miensa me am sie wunnim sunsun nsam chimi o na mo private enyo hwefo ma ne hweso a ye de ma mo tia no mo hweso private ya ye nyo bi hweso a ye de so obi azem so fampra nso kuru ni a private ya ne de no o wani die ma sa de no me pa chao ye papa Reverend Anthony Kodwobuachi sabi nyame ato nsafre papa nyame for crazy akaso bia meka papa le chisa mmone na sabo nya problem wo sa asofo bi sabi wo mo nam no mu sabi aburu sabi nyalo wo mu di nkwasi asam eka papa Anthony Kodwobuachi achi asam ya wo ye sofo sa ya sa wi chimifo me to sabi bra we are so far we can't to the kojo wa asem ya we are Jimmy for me na catch up odi for back to back. I'm telling you speak the truth but nothing but the truth. Me say we are so far na can't to the kojo wa asem ya we are Jimmy for ma ye kan ko ran chiro Jimmy so se prophet a ko kasa ko interview no e pato Judge Atsu brada ni be bu apon no Nyankopon hu ye enti so betima a result ama na sori a me pato nye interview na be kwansa o enye interview as be kwansa o ade bia wo so fo pe I am ready to offer you. Is a hard time a just so for your kind of correction ni e judge me mama nya me aduma nya kono sabi e mo enti se korabam akwara sabi akwara gya ne na egu enya fe me ma woni wonja Gyimii no wa makrach no amfa ne kra koto tie prophecy about wachire. I watch check the crime check was mine also nya revelation say before Israel was not Atsu abaso dai so ne de yira kusu o da people bi so o mo sisi ho mo te ho o samba bi o so be humi and they be hunu ni da odi wuye no. So are you God? Are you telling me say so for why your appearance out the Ghana longer than Africa. We learn for ourselves so say we nipa dua ye twitwa nipa 8 wala 8 benya pioto no top and down Gyimii na de na to Ghana ni no obi afana were ho abusuan afana were ho. Well, let's console the family, let's understand the pains the family has went through. And this kind of obi wa metima nyane no metima yesi, do you have power than God? Wow, so that he pay auto akromo so that he pay to ugo yatu na tumuye. What kind of life is that? Let's be real to ourselves. I'm giving you the last one. Stop kind of that choke. And yes, maybe I'll go interview once about you. They have deepest respect to us. I'm telling you. Stop joking. Stop fool. Najasa. It's a hard time we need to tell you people the truth. The family is going to pains, and you are back. What do I am? You go to the family without no camera, without no interview. You see, Namidi phobia ba. Elisha, wabi nyane. Prophet biabi nyane Atsu. Na Atsu akasa. Na Atsu aye. Ebi ameka mochi kwa dina kwa shekwa ye ni nyama dada. Na Lazarus upon yes, you can for media for Uncle see media, Uncle Janenu. When Jesus Christ let the blind see, the clippers walk. Woman Yaliku Mu Enya Son. One could grant interviews of your but it's work. Ninuma ever nipped in a cheek. So it's awful. If you have something, stop shouting like a dog. Stop shouting like a dog and go to the family. Who can meet from me? My number is 0543. Me chofuti me say my number is 0543 41 91 60. My next line is 0553 40 62 from me. Adia bi o se bia. E just say me plan account me na be ma. Now the to ade ko nyana chua. We are ready for you. What kind of rubbish talk is this? Is that time so for say Gyimii? Huh? And ka wo Messiah. Wo family nchen. Me pa choma ba na da onwu ye. Nti me wa ha say nyame asoma me. Mama few minutes. And ke yedi ni fie abrochiro ba no family ni kwa ni twin sister. Kuna beti me chaprenti kitama. Ye yi na omudi me du na no aye. Onyama so nka tesi no onyama obaye no aye. Wo wia. Then yeah, they come. They also abekasa say, "Ebia, see. Mimi ni mamia owuya. I was CS Christ Apostolic Church. Owuya didn't go say fridge mu. Manya me man sorry ye. and the woman is still alive. So if you can do something like that, Ghana will not tell you that don't do it. But go so got an interview Joe Numidia, Papa, a film now. Who need him? Over far. Oh, Matthew so Mamma is in the contribute. Sabia Bun Sabia, or Mamma County, or Mamma Con, any Tina. You should Kurum. Mamma about Papa walk room no was in a pen. Ah! No, the Kum Chata, we said the Kum Chata of Fra. Kum Chata, yet Yamia for 10 years. Whatever means to say. What kind of joke is that? Who's so funny about that? Every crowd will crash about a boon in Sakura. No one could drink a cassette. Would have been changed. Every year, you have a non Jim Brow. So will crowd me who have a cousin John Brown for 4.5. Stop shouting. Stop doing kind of things. Once I check conditions of free for me. Many are press a product. I tell you, if you mess with Atsu, it go mess with you. Men can't say to me result. God can result at you. Atsu Papa, why you was as you so. Send the young upon herself. Yamin Pesatu, female friend. Why, when I jump Papa, why jump up to the sense you cannot think far. Ne Papa, or we are not air popular. Obisa try to say, Michel one come actor. Or say, Unimachu. Or one or two friends say, my show video. Now, we are web. Wama video gravity mission, who film me issue. Let me tell you honestly speaking, this kind of man we love. Nipa bebre can check for omo kan nyamapa on a can check for team here both prison and no na me Atsu ado mobilize me and I me ye queen etnance yan hwe be ye bi ye ba de kakra yentimi gra be de kakra sani pa officer yam be jan say female friend mu oba mission we wie ni mission is all back but ye wachi no ye papa De La Rosa, or say the last message he preached, or say the benefit of death. The last message, yeah, Papa Benson De La Rosa, the great man of God, the wide world, or Kwasa Timmy Joshua no over. Or say the benefit of death, or was then and fast war. You thought about that? Why did you home? So may catch ourselves off way. Because Sabi, I will say studio I see your atmosphere. You don't enter studio before. This is your first time, so you can prove ever to I am Piasa, not to this. Bensi de la Rosa. One or two a blessed to Ghana. A shira to Ghana. Or buy no a mission. He has fulfilled his mission 100%. When we ne papa yo be a dozen. Inti papa wa asonya me ani nti nyame hwe sa atu betres asi so wa se odofo bia odo atu no na we believe na yie no me hu se footballers my idea Ghanaian footballers my idea the senior footballers my idea me hu se Chastela no nyina obia so Tonba for Asamoah Gyan ba for Gyan the Dayo no obia yade Kwame ayo no obi a show compliment. Obi a morning at you. Yamisha. Say and I will sit as a love. Say and you can a bem. Now to say be you 100 million, you show 100 million in drinks. Now what you know na mudi wemponi. Atu wo Ebama Ghana. Me pato I'm giving this prophecy. Me say atu wo Ebama abrofo aba beye tourist center kesia ade Atsu esiwa ebe the great memory and that tourism center will bring huge amount to Ghana and investors after his burying investors will come and say to the president that because of Atsu I'm here to make investors. I'm telling you, may God bless you, our homeland Ghana, and I love you and I cherish you. Koku ben say, we have me love, we have me taste, oba take a crown. We have me shout, we did for back to back in here. Ebesi shusebeko. Ebia, ɔrɔfo makasa anto yi facha wate na ha ne duba bia na nkofo bi ya chia nyawa nti nya bosere koso ahate wa hwate TV na like na share na pia video no nya mbishira that's bye bye makraw